Hello, welcome to Fun Online Maths. Please, if you're just new to this channel, do well to like and subscribe. We solve mathematics questions here. The question on the board says a curve has equation y equals to 5 minus x multiplying x plus 2 square. Find the x coordinates of the stationary points on the curve. So this is how we're going to do it. First of all, I'm going to expand what we have here, and then we'll proceed. So we have y equals to 5 minus x times x plus 2 squared. So to expand, let's take away the square and multiply this by itself twice. Y will be equals to 5 minus x times x plus 2 and then times x plus 2. Okay, let's multiply these two first. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 2 is 10 minus x times itself, x squared, and then minus x times 2, 2x. And then we're multiplying with x plus 2. To make this less stressful for me, let me finish working on this before I multiply. So this is 5x minus 2x, because they are like terms, right? So 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is 3x plus 10 minus x squared. Now I'm going to multiply it with x plus 2. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 2, that's 6x, plus 10 times x, that's 10x. 10 times 2, that's 20. X squared times itself times x is s cubed, and x squared times 2 is minus 2x squared. So let's collect like terms. We have 3x squared minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 10x minus x cubed plus 20. All right, so this will be just x squared, and this is 16x minus x cubed plus 20. So this is what we have. This is what we have so far, and we call this y. This is y. So this is what we have so far. Now, yeah, we can't go further than that for now. Please take note, a stationary point, because here we are told to find the x coordinates of the stationary points on the curve. A stationary point is the point at which the derivative of a function is equals to 0. The derivative of the function, stationary point of a function, is the point at which its derivative equals 0. So what we are going to do is to take the derivative of this and then equate it to 0. But before we do that, let's rearrange this particular problem. So y should be equals to minus x cubed minus s cubed, that's plus x squared plus 16x plus 20. Now let's take the derivative. It's called y prime, or dy dx, and then this is equals to 3 times this is minus 3x raised to the power 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus 2x plus 16. This is the derivative, right? Now I said you take the derivative, then you equate it to 0. So let's equate this to 0. It means that minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 16 equals 0. Multiply through by minus to remove this. So this will be 3x squared minus 2x minus 16 equals to 0. Now, let's look for two algebraic terms such that when you multiply the terms, it should give you minus 48x squared. Or when you add the terms, it should give you minus 2x. So what are those terms going to be? I think it will be minus 8 plus 6. Yeah, minus 8x and then plus 6x. Because when you add these two together, it gives you this. When you multiply them, it gives you this. So now what we are going to do is replace minus 2x by these two algebraic terms. So this becomes 3x squared minus 8x plus 6x minus 16 equals to 0. All right, so let's see if they have if we can factorize them. What we have here is that is common is just x, and then you can write 3x minus 8 plus 3 can divide both. No, 2 can divide both of them. So 2 into 3x minus 16 divided by 2 is 8 is equals to 0. Oh, okay. So these two have the same bracket. We form a new bracket using x plus 2. And then we write also 3x minus 8 equals to 0. Now take note, we are looking for the x coordinates. We can easily do it from here. So when we multiply these two and we equate it to 0, it means that it's either that x plus 2 equals to 0 or 3x minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, now let's collect like not collect like tens. I'm looking for x. So I can move plus 2 to the right hand side, becomes s equals to minus 2, or move 8 to the right hand side, 3s will be equals to, this is minus 8, so it just becomes 8. We're already done for this particular one. So to get the value of x here, divide by 3, and then s is equals to minus 2, or this goes, s is equals to 8 over 3. So for the s coordinates of these stationary points on the curve, we either have minus 2 or 8 over 3. So please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on the notification bell, like this video, and we'll meet again for the next class. It's bye bye from